We are moving towards the Tak Ishwa. So as we move closer to Tak Ishwa, we will capture the surroundings and tell you what that ecosystem has to offer. Tak is again a listed company on the stock market. This is the construction site on the right hand side. As you can see, the cranes are there. Krishna Buildwell is doing the construction of this particular project. Now we are entering the Tak sales gallery. Here is the Tak sales gallery on the right hand side. We are just entering it. Now we are going to a beautiful sales gallery that they have created here. It's going to have the sample model. We are going to show around here. Now we have just entered a beautiful sales gallery of Tak. Here we are going to capture the model, the sample apartment. We are going to analyze what this product is, how the construction pace is going on, and how the analysis with another two products it's going to fit in. Now we are going to just first take you around कि इनके consultants कौन हैं and what is a unique thing they are bringing to this particular product. Come. So now I'm going to take you to capture the construction museum plus the kind of consultant they are using, and this will give you a better clarity about this particular product. Now here, as it's mentioned, that the construction is being done by KBE. KB is the construction partner for them. Initially, they were having ACC. Now the KBE is doing the construction of this particular development. So Krishna Buildwell Private Limited is one of the India's premium construction company with long standard. A lot of developments here in Gurgaon is being done by this company. Now, as these cabinets are being shown here, these are the kitchen cabinets with the slabs that the developer is given. So they have shown this just because of one reason, because they are having two options. Either of the color option you can choose from. Either you go for a grayish tone, or you can go for a ivory tone with a white slab. This is going to be the kind of work that's going to be given in the kitchen, the kind of wood you can see. Now, here is the main door, how it's going to look like, and these are going to be your interior door finish of your apartments. So a few of the other parameters that need to be discussed here is the indoor air quality. So they are giving the air filtration systems that is imbibed in the ACs only, so that your internal air quality is better in comparison to outside. So, and another thing is the sound based control system. They are also giving the home automation. A lot of small things that is being taken care by Tak here. Ductable VRV air conditioning. So this is a main concern when people are buying higher floors. So they are giving insulation on the top floors so that the temperature is controlled and there is no chip off on the top. Fire resistant structure, all the approvals are in place. So they are going to have air conditioned elevators plus ARD, that is automatic rescue device for safety in case of the breakdown of the elevators. Now on the right hand side, it's being shown how the fixtures of WC and the accessories what they are providing. So it is as it is, the marble flooring on the ground floor and your marble flooring on the walls also. Now moving ahead, fast charging point for EV station that is being provided here. This is a kind of internal work that is being done by Sobha. They are showing it how they are putting the stones, the tiles, the different layers, the slab, fast flex, screed, tile or the stone. Now the reason why they are displaying it, because the durability while putting all these layers make the floor more stronger. And here the masonry block work they are being uses, it's a temperature resistance. So that's being shown here. And even when you see the movement of these pipes or these tubes, they doesn't have a joint. They are majorly having the curves. Come now, here they are showing the plumbing pipes, the typical shaft arrangement. So black, जो चौड़ा वाला है, that's a waste pipe. Then there's a smaller one, vent pipe, a soil pipe. The domestic pipe is of blue color and the flushing pipe is of a red color. So they are bifurcating, differentiating and showing it, and that's the way it's going to be done in the project. Now these are the double glazed doors, and a mosquito mesh will be also provided by the developer. Now there's a lot of discussion regarding the Vastu. So TARC has appointed Vijay Shankar Sharma as a Vastu consultant. So Vijay Shankar Sharma specializes in obtaining the best result from the contemporary civil engineering. So they try to imbibe lot of Vastu elements into the project. The club consultant is HPG. Your elevator consultant is Matrix. MEP consultant is SNC. So these are all the consultants which have done a lot of work for other developers. JW consultant is the structural consultant. CPP, wind study consultant, which is required when you are going upwards at a height of 42nd, 43rd floor. RSP is the principal design consultant for this particular project, and Design Accord is the landscape consultant. The interior design consultant is Confluence, and Beyond Design is Beyond Design again an interior design consultant. In fact, the internal the apartment that we are going to see, the sample apartment, that is being done by Beyond Design. Hi Anubhav.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. So Anubhav, we have majorly captured about the consultants and the kind of quality that you are giving the construction museum you have created. So we just wanted to understand about the model and what this product has to offer.
No issues, sir. I'll explain it very simply with you. So, welcome, sir. This is our project model TARC Ishwa, and it's built on a 10-acre land parcel in total with 6 towers only and 518 units. It's a very low density.
So the density comes out to be
51
units per
acre.
So
Yes.
it's a very low density.
Very low density. Yes. So this is your tower 1, tower 2, tower 3, 4, 5, and at the very back, which is our latest launch of second phase, tower 6. So at the very front, these two towers, tower 1 and 2, along with tower 6 is 3.5 BHK. Tower 3, 4, 5, I mean the middle 3 towers are 4.5 BHK.
Okay.
And also in top of tower 3, 4, 5, there are penthouses in duplex type.
Okay.
So 6 towers, and now I'm gonna come to you about the location.
Yeah.
So this road that you see, this 24-meter road, built on this is your secondary entrance to the project. Your primary entrance to the project is on this 84-meter road here. This is the primary entrance to the project, and this road after its completion will link you straight to Sona.
I understand. So this where number 1 is written. So this is going to be the primary entrance to the product.
Definitely.
And that is the clubhouse.
And the guest entry.
Yeah.
Yes. So now let's come to the location. At the north of us we have Adani Samsara. Yes. Adani Samsara, which are low rise, G plus 3 to 4 is the maximum height of the building. And the only high rise near my vicinity is DLF Harbour, which is around 300 meters away from us. That's the only high rise building.
Absolutely.
West, this green patch is Medavas Greens. It's a buffer zone. Nothing's gonna come here in terms of construction. After this, Sector 64 starts, which is for institutional land parcel. Institutional development will be there. South is also a buffer zone. Except agriculture, nothing's gonna come up there. So it is also a buffer zone. It's gonna stay like that. East, this green patch belongs to our own sister company, the Anantaraj Estates, for 50 to 60 acres. They are also developed. And the tallest elevation of the building is G plus 4. Why am I stressing on the location? Because for the first time in Gurgaon in India, we are a 4-side open residency. So all the layouts of the apartments are in a square shape. Using the corners, we have made them a 4-side open. Suppose this is your apartment, this is your first side open, your second side, opposite of that third, and beside it is 4.
So these are going to be 4-side open apartments without any pillar on any of the corner, giving you a better ventilation and sunlight opportunities within your apartment. Now, as Anubhav has told that the surroundings of this development has a low-rise development or the buffer zone, so the surroundings are absolutely clear. No high-rise development around it. The only high-rise development closest to it is DLF Arbor that is approximately 300 meter from this particular development. Now let me quickly also give you a gist that DLF Arbor is operating at a price bracket of approximately around 31,000 rupees per square feet in a resale market. Now this particular project comes at 23,000 rupees per square feet from the company. So that makes it a very viable option.
So as I was saying, we are a 4-side open residency with 2 to a core apartment in all of the buildings. We're not discriminating in terms of typology. We only have 2 typologies, 3.5 and 4.5, as I mentioned earlier, with 2 to a core apartment in all of the buildings. And in that also, I'm giving 2 parking spots with each apartment, be it 3.5, be it 4.5. So you have 2 apartments per floor. And in that, imagine this is your apartment. I'm giving you 2 lifts, which opens inside your apartment. I'm giving your neighbor 2 lifts and 2 service lifts in between the 2 wings.
So as Anubhav has explained, so every residence here is going to have its own private elevators. 2 elevators that's going to open in front of their apartment. Every apartment is going to get 2 basement parkings. The sizes of the apartment 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK. 3.5 BHK is 3,000 square feet. 4.5 BHK is 4,000 square feet. Now there's no comparison in terms of sizes with the Sobha that we already captured, because Sobha is the maximum size is 3,000 square feet of a 4 BHK. Here the developer is providing 3 BHK of 3,000 square feet. The size is bigger, but when we talk about the price point, 23,000 rupees per square feet, Sobha is operating at 25,000 rupees per square feet plus PLC. Now coming onto the height of the tower, it's 43 floors.
The first 2 towers are G plus 42. The middle 3 towers are G plus 45. Where till 43rd floor it goes your typical apartment. From 44, 45th is the duplex penthouse.
Okay.
And tower 6 is our tallest building, stands with an elevation of G plus 46.
Okay. So 6 towers we have understood. Now coming on to the clubhouse.
Amenities, yes.
Yeah.
So total amenities that we're providing is of 150,000 square feet. The clubhouse right at the center of our project stands with a size of 50,000 square feet, and the rest 1 lakh is scattered around your whole project, which we call open amenities.
Okay.
So if I point it out, you have a sitting area, you have pet zone, children's play area, open gymnasium, another kids play area. For sports we have basketball court, cricket practice pitches, lawn tennis court, pickleball racquetball court, and a 40-meter length pool which is outside, and still it is temperature controlled. That's one of 2. One pool will be inside your clubhouse, another outside.
Now the key USP of this particular product is that 2 apartments to a floor. All the apartments are 4-side open apartments. You get your private elevators. Here every tower is going to have their personal concierge at the reception, and also every tower is going to have a personal valet. So that's how the Attack is placing this particular product in the market. This is slightly on a luxury side. The kind of specification they are giving, we are going to get into the sample also to understand the specification that they are providing. The clubhouse is approximately 60,000 square feet plus the open amenities, making it approximately 1.5 lakh square feet of total amenity space. Now I think we have just captured the elevation, as you can see on the model, the kind of product they are giving, the surrounding of this development. Now coming on to the club model, this is 5 level of club. Now I would ask Anubhav to explain it quickly.
So just as sir mentioned, we have the club of 5 levels amenities. 2 in your basement, 3 above ground. So 1 level of basement will have your convenience store and your pharmacy store for daily and emergency need. Another level of basement is totally dedicated for indoor gaming and activities. Your badminton court, your golf simulator, you have a movie theater, you have a karaoke room. Everything's going to be in that second level of basement. Ground floor is for 7-star gourmet and lounge zone with banquet spaces. The first floor is about community, where we are giving wine cellar, cigar lounge, cards room, billiards room, along with meeting rooms. And the top, the second floor, which is for community well-being. Here we are providing you with indoor gym, hammam, spa, cryosauna, red light therapy. And this floor also comes with 4 guest bedrooms. And another pool which I mentioned earlier is gonna be inside, built from this point to this point, suspended on the air, covered by a glass facade, and hanging infinity concept pool which is also temperature controlled.
Anubhav, I just wanted to understand the price points. 23,000 rupees per square feet is the price, plus PLC for a few of the units which are slightly on a higher side, plus the GST
And IFMS.
and IFMS. Now when we come on to the ticket size, how much is the ticket size?
Sir, if you go up for 4.5 BHK, it comes around NCR,
Okay.
10, 9.5. And if you go for a 3 BHK, it comes around 7 to 7.5 CR.
So the 3 BHK is approximately 7.5 CR, and the 4 BHK is approximately 10.5 CR. And when we talk about the payment plan is 30, 40, 30. 30% right now, 40% on structure, and the last 30% nearing possession. So that's the key about this particular product. Now we will move towards the sample, and we will show you the sample. The sample is of 4,000 square feet of a 4 BHK. So now we are moving towards the sample. So now we have entered the floor of an apartment, but the company has shown it here. This is going to be your service area. There's going to be a service elevator that side, and here you move towards the apartment. So that's going to be your door to the apartment, and you have your personal 2 elevators, and here there's going to be a proper door wherein nobody is going to have access to the apartment. Only you can access this particular door. Now out of it, first let me show you the entrance to the servant room. So I can call it as a servant room or an additional room that the developer is providing. It can be used as a study or other recreational room because the size of the room is decent, and it has an attached washroom to it, and there is a access from this door to the kitchen. So that's a kind of privacy. Now nobody on this particular floor can use your area. It's going to be only you and your family. So here there is going to be a proper door, and it's going to be locked, only accessible to you. Now when we enter, there are 2 elevators on this particular floor exclusively for this particular apartment. Now so this area also comes as part of your apartment. You can design it as per you. Now we are entering the apartment. There's going to be a proper touch lock. Now as we enter, this is the first time in any of the apartments in Gurgaon we see a 2-door opening towards the apartment. Normally you have one side door which opens, and so it's a grand entrance, and the architecture that is being used, it's awesome. And even one thing I wanted to tell you, the kind of sunlight options or the sunlight integration to the apartment or the common areas that this particular developer has done. You can see from ground to top the kind of glass that has been used. As we enter on the right hand side, again you can see a lot of sunlight and the kind of ventilation that they are providing. Now this is the living and dining area, a huge living and dining space with a powder room just next to it. Now when we talk about the specifications, the powder room is going to be as it is. What you are seeing right now, the kind of fixtures that has been given, including this vanity that has been provided, and the kind of door that the developer. And now coming on to the flooring is going to be marble flooring. It's going to be imported marble that is being used. When we see onto the ceiling, the ducts have been provided. These are AC ducts. Cold and heat both can be used, so that summers or winters mein dono use ho sakta hai. And it also have a built-in air purifier. Now this is going to be your living and dining, huge. This is the another space that the developer has provided. It is known as a Brahmastan, as a center of an apartment. So as I told you that they have deployed Vastu consultant. So he has designed it that none of the corners should have the pillars. There should be a lot of sunlight within the apartment, and they've created a Brahmastan at the center of the apartment. Now coming on to the kitchen. Now kitchen, as you can see, a very good size kitchen. You can see the amenities. You can see the specification that the developer is providing. Here all the woodwork is being given by the developer, including the electronics also. You get 2 options as I shown you in the construction music. Then you have this kitchen is attached to the balcony. This is a service balcony where the VRF or a VRV has been put up. This is of Daikin. Then you have your 2 Bosch washing machines, and here it is attached to the servant room. Even in the kitchen, they're providing the ACs. Now, this is the Brahmstan, living and dining on that side. Now come, let me show you the bedrooms. We are entering the master bedroom here. Beautifully done master bedroom. A decent, good space. That side is the balcony that is attached to the bedroom. This side is the French window, which can be used as a balcony also. ये आप खोलेंगे until here you can have a open air. So a very good ventilation and the sunlight in every room. Now let's come and let me show you the walk-in closet. So here is the walk-in closet. This is being provided by the developer. So this is the only developer out in the market which is providing the walk-in closets also. And even a lot of developers doesn't give the full kitchen. They are providing the full kitchen. So here is the washroom. His and her basin. You have your shower area, and one of the unique thing that you normally see when you go to Vietnam or Thailand is you are going to have another shower area which is open and that gives you a feel that it is a natural shower that you are taking. The specification here in the washrooms are of Kohler. When we talk about the flooring, it's a wooden laminated flooring that the developer is giving. Even when we see here also, you can see the ducts. पंखे आपको मिल रहे हैं इसके साथ. जितना भी लाइटिंग फिक्सचर्स देख रहे हो वो भी मिल रहा है आपको. फॉल सीलिंग जितनी देख रहे हो, इट्स बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड बाय द डेवलपर इटसेल्फ. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द सेकंड बेडरूम. तो मास्टर बेडरूम हमने कैप्चर कर लिया, सेकंड बेडरूम की तरफ जा रहे हैं. दीज आर द वार्डरोब्स. ऐसा ही ये वार्डरोब्स मिलेगा. वुडन लैमिनेटेड फ्लोरिंग. The another set of wardrobes, this side that the developer is providing, the washroom. You see the colors that the developer is using in the washrooms. Even pankhe, jitna lighting, jitna bhi dekh rahe hain aap, it's all provided. Now coming here, you see the bedroom. That side, the French window, ground to ceiling. Here again, pillarless corner. As I told you, कि कोई भी pillar नहीं है. You're getting your private balcony here also. तो हमने वहाँ पे भी प्राइवेट बालकनी देखा बेडरूम के साथ, इधर भी प्राइवेट बालकनी दिखता है. जैसे कि मैंने पहले आपको बताया था, एफिशिएंसी ऑफ दिस अपार्टमेंट, कार्पेट एफिशिएंसी ऑफ दिस अपार्टमेंट इज 56%. दैट इज द एवरेज इन द मार्केट एंड द यूजेबल एफिशिएंसी इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 72%. नाउ वी आर कमिंग बैक टुवर्ड्स द लिविंग एंड डाइनिंग. द थर्ड बेडरूम हियर अगेन विद अ प्राइवेट बालकनी and a private washroom. I just wanted to show you the fourth guest bedroom that this particular product holds. Again, as we moving ahead, you see a lot of glass that is being used, creating a lot of ventilation. This is the guest bedroom with the personal washroom and a Juliet balcony, as you can see here. Now, the key USP, a very जो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है इस अपार्टमेंट के अंदर चीज, वो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ. आइए. Your living and dining. This is your balcony. It's a L-shaped balcony, huge space, pillarless corners. ये आप जो देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे balcony start होती है. ये these are sliding doors. ये दोनों तरफ से slide करते हैं और combine हो जाते हैं. आप खोलते हैं इधर से, तो आपका पूरा L-shaped, and see what kind of expanse, what kind of space that you get. अब आप ये सोचिए कि आप बैठे हुए हैं अपने हायर फ्लोर पे facing Aravali's with this kind of balconies and this kind of living and dining area. It just look like that you are sitting in a farmhouse at a height. The beautiful, I can say these are sky bungalows. 11.5 feet is the floor to ceiling height. Again, one of the best in its class. So talking about another key USP is that this is the only apartment to this floor. The another apartment is on the another side. You won't be seeing your neighbor also, they are going to have their separate elevators. If आपके अपार्टमेंट में अगर उनको आना है तो उनको नीचे जाना पड़ेगा लॉबी में, लॉबी से फिर चेंज करके दूसरी जो लेफ्ट लॉबी है उससे वो ऊपर आएंगे आपके अपार्टमेंट के अंदर. सो दैट्स अ काइंड ऑफ प्राइवेसी दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट इज गिविंग. 23,000 rupees per square feet is the price point. 30, 40, 30 is the payment plan. DLF Arbor ऑपरेट करता है 31,000 रुपए पे, ये सराउंडिंग में इस रेट पे ऑपरेट करता है. I think now we are done with the talk, Yashva. Rest, you can connect with us. We can sit across the table or we can have a call where we can give more insights about the product and will help you in evaluating and analyzing your buying as per your finances and your family requirement. Herein, signing off, this is Saurabh Duggal from Homeworks India. I have experience of 20 years in real estate. I have worked with multiple A-grade developers at a leadership level. 4 years back, I started my own consulting company and would be happy to assist you in your home buying process.